Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Today we will solve one previous year question from IIT JAM Biotechnology examination. The question is about protein trafficking, about the O-linked glycosylation and N-linked glycosylation. The oligosaccharide part of glycoprotein is either N-linked or O-linked. The amino acid residues through which these oligosaccharides are attached to polypeptide are asparagine or threonine, aspartic acid and serine, serine and lysine, or glutamine and serine. These four are the options. This is 1 mark MCQ type of question. So let's see what are these amino acids, their functions, and find the answer. So starting with the first option, asparagine and threonine. These are the structures of asparagine and threonine. Here we can say that the asparagine is the residue to which N-linked glycosylation takes place. N-linked glycosylation takes place in the endoplasmic reticulum. When protein is synthesized during the synthesis itself, it is translocated to the lumen of the endoplasmic reticulum. And to the lumen side, the glycosyl groups are added. There is a transfer of oligosaccharide having 14 residues of sugars. And these are added to this nitrogen present on this asparagine residue. That's why we call it as a N-linked glycosylation. Secondly, in case of threonine, yes, so threonine is also used for the O-linked glycosylation, which is asked in a question. Here the oxygen which is present in the side chain of the threonine is used for the O-linked glycosylation. The difference is N-linked glycosylation takes place in the endoplasmic reticulum. O-linked glycosylation takes place in a Golgi complex. In case of N-linked glycosylation, the preformed oligosaccharide is added. The glycosyl transferase, or we can say oligosaccharide transferase enzyme, is used for the transfer of oligosaccharide to nitrogen of the asparagine. In case of O-linked glycosylation, glycosyl transferase enzyme is used and there is a sequential addition of sugar residues that is added one by one. The length here is short, 1 to 4 residues are added in case of O-linked glycosylation, whereas this is 14 residue oligosaccharide is added. Yes, another two amino acids given in the options are aspartic acid and lysine is there. So if we see the structure of aspartic acid, it is having one more acidic group in its side chain. So if the aspartic acid is present in a protein in high amount, then the protein will have a negative charge. Secondly, lysine is there. Lysine is having NH3 group, one more NH3 group in its side chain, and hence this is a basic amino acid. Lysine is present in abundance in a histone proteins. If you remember nucleosome solenoid model, so in that solenoids are made up of histone proteins. Yeah, another two amino acids given in our option are glutamine and serine. So the structure of glutamine is like this. In the side chain, it is also having one more NH2 group. This amino acid is used for nitrogen transport to the liver. And this is also used as a nitrogen donor for the synthesis of non-essential amino acids. Another one is a serine. Serine is having hydroxyl group in its side chain. One is threonine and another is serine. both these amino acids can be used for the O-linked glycosylation. Secondly, in the N-linked glycosylation, aspargine X serine or threonine. This sequence is used, where aspargine to the nitrogen of aspargine glycosyl group is added. X may be any amino acid, but it should not be proline, and serine or threonine is required. So this is a preformed, or this is a fixed sequence for the N-linked glycosylation which takes place in the endoplasmic reticulum. So the answer for the question becomes option A. Aspargine is used for the N-linked glycosylation and threonine is there for O-linked glycosylation. Yes, I want to inform you, if you have visited my channel, you must have seen now I am uploading lecture videos also. There are lecture videos of immunology and biochemistry in my channel. So keep watching my channel and please like, share and subscribe for my channel, and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.